Hi guys, you're welcome back. Ultimate Love Rosie releases new photo of herself. She looks so aged to be a new bride. The new photo of Rosie that surfaced on the internet today is currently attracting comments from trolls as she looks so aged to be a new bride in her photos. Rosie, who happened to be a co-winner of the love show called Ultimate Love, took to her Instagram account and shared the new photo. Sharing the photo, Rosie said, "You can't change a person who doesn't see an issue with his or her action." She also said, "No one can destroy iron, but its own can rust," which means no one can destroy a person but its very own mindset. In the photo Rosie shared, she was seen wearing a blue outfit designed with stars with a red hair tie, but her facial look and body structure made her look so aged, and this attracted a lot of side talks as she is a bride-to-be. Trolls were in the opinion that she doesn't look good to be a new bride to a young handsome guy like Kachi. They suggested that Kachi needs a young lady with fresh blood to be his wife and not Rosie. As we all know, it's no longer a new thing that Rosie is a single mother of two, but one of her sons was taken away from her with lots of restrictions on reaching her son. Rosie altogether has revealed that she has been in an abusive relationship that lasted for 12 years, where she said her boyfriend do beat her and lock her in the house without food for 4 days. She has been through a lot that made her to look so aged, but age or facial look has nothing to do with love. Love is a thing of the heart and not of the face. Anybody can find love, also live happily regardless of what he or she has passed through in life. It might interest you to take a look at a few of Rosie's recent picture. Okay guys, what are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comment section. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drop.